Hey everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add reviews to Shopify store from AliExpress. So you are going to be needing two things for this. First is AliExpress reviews exporter, and once you have that you can have a CSV file that is going to be listing all of the reviews onto the product that you need. And other than that, you are going to be needing another app inside Shopify, which is going to be import and export reviews. So you can see we have this over here, and this is specifically for reviews. So this is import and export. Now once you have the product CSV created using the extension AliExpress Review Export, you can upload that directly in here. And what this is going to be doing, it is going to be automatically listing all the reviews onto your product that you have or you want to simply list reviews for. So this is how simple it is, and I hope this is going to be helping. The most beneficial part of this process is it is going to be working completely for free, because a lot of apps are simply scamming and trying to charge you for this service. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.